Welcome everyone back to another Optimus Wilbur Reviews. It's this guy again. Hey everyone, Will here. Thanks for joining in for another Optimus Wilbur's review. Today we are looking at Studio Series 18. I forgot the number. Bumblebee, but this is the Volkswagen edition. I've already done the Camaro, the 70s edition Camaro. This is what I really wanted to get. We know the new movie is little than a month away. I know there's going to be early screenings in the States. I've not found anything in Britain yet. I'm kind of hoping they will bring something here. But when I seen this guy, I had to get him. I had to get a proper Volkswagen transformation Bumblebee. Of course, I've done the big one. You can see at the back now. He's back in his box, all standing proud next to the Fortress Maximus box. But I wanted this one, and this is what we're going to do. So we're going to look at him today, get him transformed. Let's see if it's an improvement over the Camaro edition. I've got a few other ones just to compare him to over the years of the Movieverse Bumblebee, how the videos are going to be recorded from now on. I really hope you dig it, and as always folks, hit that little subscribe button because there's more coming. Let's get him transformed and check him out. 3, 2, 1. And here he comes, Bumblebee, and he looks a lot better than I was expecting. Like I said, I didn't want to think this was going to be as bad as the Camaro. The Camaro had a lot of issues with it, and a lot of it was due to the transformation with the size of the back. For comparison, I will bring in the Camaro, and as you can see, it's a good size. And the issues it all came with was this part here. It's kind of like the same style again. Everything's in the bottom and hidden up at the top. And because of that, that forced the Camaro to like pop out at parts. And it really was a poor transformation and a transformer into the bargain when it was transformed for Bumblebee. And this is something we were really hoping for. But they have redeemed it with the Volkswagen. Volkswagen is absolutely fantastic. And let's get another comparison in. I think this is a Dark of the Moon Bumblebee. So using up all the Bumblebees I've got for comparison. And again, good size, good look. And he looks fantastic. But it's good to see him in his G1 state. That's the way I wanted it. And I'm happy we finally got him. I know there's another variation of this coming out that's got a lot more rust on it. I quite like this one. I do wish there was an Autobot symbol on it, like you can clearly see. I might get a sticker and put one on, just so it looks the part. Apart from that, he really is good. With the weapons, you can store them if you want. You come underneath and they just go under there, they just clip on, and like you can still roll with them. The blade, the exact same. You can just put that on the left arm, and again it rolls. And the mask, which is strange, if you want horns coming out the front of your car, you just put that underneath here. There's a small tab, but I won't put it in because it's going to be annoying. I know it will be. And everything can move, and it's still plenty of clearance space for moving about. But let's take all these off because the main thing is he a good transformer to look at? Now, you're probably wondering, well, this doesn't look as different as when you used to do your videos, but you just seen I just changed to another camera, so I'm still trying to get used to this new setup, and I think it's going to be a lot more fun to do with during the long time we're going to be making videos here on YouTube. But with Bumblebee, just come to the doors as usual, just open them the exact same as the Camaro, pop the back and just remove the feet. With this, again, just pop at the front and you're going to have this look. So what you do is just bring the legs away. That's the easiest thing to do just now. Come to the front, just get those arms. You just want him to do like a push-up. If he wants to get this left arm out. There we go. So you want him to look like that, basically. And because of that, we can now start to move things into place. Like, so we can move these wheels in at the side, which is always a good thing. And that means we have the ability to come to the legs. Legs is really simple. You just come here and you twist 180. Come down here. Come to these back bits. And all you're doing is this. This is quite neat. You're just moving everything in like that. And then because it's in a double hinge, you're just re-hooking everything back into the leg. So I'll show you again on this side. Move that in. Take that away. Put the foot out. Move everything back in. And it will just click in place. With the legs looking okay. Just best moving the arms out. So he does a big T-pose. Come to the bonnet, just put that at the back and just slide that all the way down, because that's going to be his little backpack. I'm just going to keep tidying them up as we're going along. The doors, exact same as the Camaro. Pop the window and then fold it in. Exact same. Just move it in like that. And then that's that. Front of the car, just move everything down. Push them in. So with the front of the car, just push everything in so it looks like that. Now you're able to move the arms down and obviously realign them so they're out this way. And same again. We'll just move them down, twist, throw on that nice little solid hinge. The backpack, just come in, lift up the back of them and just gently move everything in, and this should peg like so. It's a strange one. He's got this backpack. I actually don't mind the backpack. It's not as bad as what it used to be. Compared to like Optimus Prime and stuff, it's actually really quite tidy when it's done. And it's really, really nice for the final pose. Speaking of which, getting the final pose in, here he is. Here is little Bumblebee. And I'll get him standing. He looks awesome. I really, really like this Bumblebee. This is movie accurate Bumblebee. I just want him just to stand a little bit better on that leg. But there we go. He looks like he's going to fall over, but he's not. Just want him standing better. Come on, Bumble. For comparison, bring in, I think this is Revenge of the Fallen Bumblebee, so you can see there's a clear height difference in it. And to finish it off, I think it's just appropriate we bring back in Studio Series 05 Optimus Prime, which I think, if I move the two of them back here, you get a rough idea with the size and how they're going to look. I'm just watching this on a small screen and it's really tough. This is something to get used to when I've been making these videos, so it's going to be strange. Now, of course, we just have the weapons to put on. It's really simple. If you come to Bumbo, and what we'll do is we'll put on his stinger. Put the stinger on, you just come to the arms and it just slots in. Come on, camera, focus. Nicely slots in. You come to the arm like the Camaro and you just pop it off. It comes off a lot better. And then you just attach his blaster. Doesn't really hook on as much as I'd like it to. It feels like it's going to fall off my version, as you can see. Could just be my addition. I don't know. I hope nobody else has got this problem. But yeah, this seems to be something that you could fix it, but I'm scared that's going to fall off. So what we'll do is we'll put the arm back on. We've got the stinger on. That's all we need. It's a lot tighter anyhow. So then you come round to the back of Bumblebee and like you can house the gun, like the gun can just sit up there, hide out the way, So, the only thing left is his battle mask, which is awkward, and you're with fat thumbs in the way here. Basically what you've got to do is come to the helmet and put your finger in here, pull it down like so. I don't think this is going to work with me because I've got no nails. I think it's going to work. Come on, Bumble. Come on. Is it going to work? There we go. No, the head came off. I think we'll leave the helmet. But I'll bring the helmet in just for a closer look anyhow, just before we finish him off. That is the mask. It's really good detail. Everything about this character's detailed is brilliant. The paint scheme, everything about him is just fantastic. Finish him off, we've got Charlie's Garage, which is of course in the new movie, and you just plop him right there. And there you go, everyone. Volkswagen Bumblebee Studio Series 18, a must buy. Thank you everyone for tuning into the video today. Remember, smash that like button, hit the subscribe button as well, and that notification bell so you know that a new Optimus Wilbur review goes live. Also, be sure to check me out on Facebook, Optimus Wilbur Reviews, Twitter Rodimus8, and Twitch at Optimus Wilbur 85. Just hit that in the search engine at the top. Also, if you wish to become a Patreon or buy from the merch store, look in the description box below. Lastly, I'd like to thank the Cybertronic Spree for allowing me to use their music. Cybertronic Warrior is the theme for the channel. Please check them out on YouTube, Twitter and Facebook and give them the support they deserve. This band is fantastic and do amazing covers, so please send your support to them. And remember, Transformer fans, till all are one.